Well, I'm here in Beaverton at Beaverton Hyundai, and taking off their spring-summer theme. It's about time because it is almost Halloween. Anyway, I'm going to take this off today, and then I got to go over to the other lot on the other side and take that off too. So yeah, just today I'm going to go ahead and remove all this painting. Okay, I got it all cleaned up. There's 17 windows here. How's it going? Got it cleaned off.
We're gonna paint today?
I could. I got to go wash off the other stuff. They said you weren't here, so I was just gonna wash it and come back tomorrow. But
I mean, that's fine. Whatever you want to do. Because we don't want to just do Halloween. We want to just be, you know, it's not quite Christmas, but winter.
So you want to do a winter theme?
We could do like a non-Christmas, you know, winter.
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, there could be a Christmas tree in there too. Just that it's not going to say like, you know, Christmas sale or something. It's just kind of the winter.
Right. You don't want it really big, like Christmas splash.
Yeah.
Yeah, winter. I can do that. Sure. I can put some, maybe a couple kids having a snowball fight or something.
Yeah.
You know. And no lettering, just...
Yeah, like the summer one was cool, just where it's this nice little scenescape of the people out, you know, camping and stuff.
Okay, great. Sounds good.
But yeah, today or tomorrow, whatever's good for you is fine.
All right, sounds good. Well, I think what I'm going to do is I want to do a big Frosty the Snowman getting hit with a snowball. Because on this side, this left side of the whole splash, which faces the road, I want to have something big, so I want to make his face pretty big, and instead of doing his whole body, do his chest and his head to attract attention. Alright, I got my big snowman getting pelted with snowballs by somebody. Maybe a little boy or a penguin or a girl or a polar bear. But in the meantime, I went across all 17 of these windows with the little frosty blend. And this is kind of new for me because I have videos from last year, 2015, in the winter, showing how I paint snow. And this is actually even quicker if you want more of a kind of an airbrush looking snow. Comes out pretty good. it's moving along. I got 2 coats on this guy, 2 coats there, and 2 coats on some of these mountains. And then I still got to paint the tree stump here. I finished up this window here. Looks pretty sharp, little mountain. And then down there on the very, very end right there, I think I'm going to do like a realistic snowman, or maybe I'll do another polar bear or penguin. Oh, whatever. I'm going to take off and get myself a bite to eat. I think I'm going to go over to Baja Fresh, get me a burrito Mexicano with rice and beans and jalapenos. Mmm, muy delicioso. I wanted to show you something else too. This is my forward fuchsia color from Sherwin-Williams. It's one of my standard colors that I buy. And if you add this color, you get like a blue, a dark blue, and you just add it to it, and you get a purple. You have to use this to make purple. If you use red and this, you're going to get a plum color. So for bright purples, blue and the forward fuchsia. Okay. All right, I'm doing the second coat on the face and the body of the penguin, and this is Sherwin-Williams tricorn black. I'm not using the black cell vinyl because it's so expensive, and I just ended up doing 2 coats, but it covers pretty good in 2 coats. And then I'll come back and trap it with some kind of a medium blue. Alright, I got all my colors in, and Frosty looks great with his big expression getting pelted by the penguin. Some penguin peltage. So all the colors are in, the highlights, the shadows. The tree stump came out good. All those colors on the tree stump are, those are all mist tints. And it looks great. Little snowflakes, some leaves. This is all done down here because I'm not doing any outlining. This is just to fill up the space. But they got to have this all open because they like to be able to see out. All right, so I just got to outline this little guy. I love this guy. I love his expression. I use him a lot. I use him and the penguin and the snowman. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the black. I really dig this guy. I love how the trunk came out in the shadow on the icy ground in the snow. I give this a 8.5. Actually, I give this a 9, man. This is just smoking. All right, that about does it. Got my guy done. He looks good. I really like his hat. I usually do his hat. The hat's black, but this time I did like a dark gray. And I was using those mist tints for that too. This guy came out pretty good. I like him. Oh, and I really like this. I like the shading on the mountain. It really came out nice. Okay, and then I've just got this guy, which I think I like him more than any of the other characters. And then over here, I've got just some filler and stuff. But it's all finished. Well, once again, thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I love making these videos for you guys. So you keep watching, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Signing out from Beaverton, Oregon at the Hyundai dealership. All right, bye.